Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming on for some more craft fair ideas, and you can also use these ideas for gifts to make for people on your Christmas list. These are the Hallmark Christmas movie watching kits. They're very popular this year. So to start with, and I got this, I've watched several YouTube channels with this idea. This particular idea I got from, I think it's Deanna. I will link her channel. My bag might be a little bit different than hers. I can't remember, but her channel is where I got the idea. And then I've seen them on other channels also. So last year when I made these for my craft fair, I used boxes with clear lids so that you could see through, but you really couldn't see all the contents. Her name's either Deanna or Deanna. I'll link, like I said. But she used these vinyl bags that she got from Amazon. So I bought some of these, and I will link these below if you want to make some of these. They're so cute. I've already got my price tag. I'm going to sell these for $15. So let me just show you how to put it together and what goes in mine. Okay. And so you just flatten it out so it has a flat bottom. Okay. So I got a pair of fuzzy socks here. I get these from Dollar Tree. So I'm putting that in the front. Let's see. Okay, putting that in the front. Okay. Then in the very back, I'm putting popcorn, a bag of popcorn. Then in front of the popcorn, I'm putting 2 packets of Swiss Miss. Okay. Then, let's see, a Hershey candy bar. Putting that over here, like that. Okay. Then a box of Kleenex. That's for when you're watching Hallmark movies, because sometimes it makes you cry, the movie that you're watching. I'm going to tuck that right there. And then a pack of gum. Who doesn't love gum, right? When they're watching a movie? I don't know. Or all the time. Okay. Then, oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot my mints. Okay. Hold on one sec. Don't leave. I've got to grab my mints so that you can see how this looks. Okay, just a sec. I'm coming. Okay. Quiet. I'm back. Okay, so I buy these tubs of Brock's mints at Walmart. Sometimes you can get the Bob's mints. They're all the same. Okay, I'm going to put in some shred just to make it cute. Okay. And then I'm going to put in some mints. Okay. And then it snaps shut. So there's my bag. And then I made, well, I'll show you. One tag I bought off Etsy. I bought this tag off Etsy and just put it on my silhouette and then cut it out. This is my Hallmark Christmas movie watching kit. So that I'm going to tie right there. And, okay, so I'm using this red and white string that I get. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to tie that on the handle. And I'll show you, I'll stand this up too so you can see it as well. So I'm going to tie that in a bow. Okay, and I'm going to cut this off so it's not so long. Okay. That's cute. Actually, you know what? I'm going to open this for a sec. So here's the tag I made on my silhouette. Kit includes vinyl bag, cozy fuzzy socks, 1 pack microwave popcorn, 2 packs hot cocoa, Hershey candy bar, 1 Kleenex pack, 1 pack gum, ornament, soft peppermint candies. So I'm going to tuck that right down in front here. Okay. That way people buying this at the craft fair can see what's inside. what's included besides just looking at it. Okay. Then, notice I said ornament. I got these at the Target bullseye section a couple of years ago, but they have ornaments that you can buy for $1 every year. I bought some cute gingerbread houses yesterday. So I'm going to tie this on. These bows come from Hobby Lobby on the Christmas wrapping paper aisle. And I just pull them apart and use them for my crafts because they're already curly and they're so cute. And right now all that's 50% off. So I'm just going to tie that in a bow. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just let that hang down. That's cute. And the ornament, I kind of want to pull that up. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take that back off and I'm going to tie it through here instead so that it doesn't hang down so low. I don't like how that hangs down. So let's take this back off. And then don't leave yet because I have 3 other craft fair items to show you. Maybe I'll do this off camera if I can't get this off. Oh, there we go. Okay. Maybe I could just put this through there right now without taking it off. I just want to pull that up because I don't like how it hangs so low. I'm just going to try and feed this through there. Okay, like that. Okay, come on. Cooperate with me here. Sometimes I feel like fumble fingers. Okay, that's going to pull that up. Now I will tie it in a knot. Let's see, that'll pull that up. That's cute. Tie it in a knot. Just tie it in a knot. Okay, that's cute. See? $15 makes a great gift. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'll put that aside, and I have 3 more things in this video to show you. Okay, I got this. This poem came from Sunflower Friends, and she sold her business. But if you Google Sunflower Friends, it will show you who bought her business, and then you can look on their site and see if they still have this. Or you can Google Etsy and just put M&M, you know, the candies, M&M Christmas Poem, and I bet one of these will come up. So I'll read it to you. As you hold these candies in your hand and let's see, and what? And hold these in your hand and, turn them, you will see. The M becomes a W and an E and then a 3. They tell the Christmas story. It's one I'm sure you know. It took place in a stable a long, long time ago. The E is for the east, where the stars shone so bright. The M is for the manger, where baby Jesus slept that night. The 3 is for the 3 wise men, bearing gifts they say they came. W is for worship. Hallelujah, praise his name. So as you eat these candies or share them with a friend, remember the meaning of Christmas. It's a love story that never ends. Okay, so then I just put a pack of M&Ms, put these in these clear bags. I get these from clearbags.com. I like them because they have the cutout here, and then I can hang them on a hook in my craft fair. And then I added a snowflake and a little bit of shred, and I sell these for $1.25, and I sell out every single year. Okay, this size of bag is... undo it so I'm measuring it correctly. Put this out of the way. This is a 6.5 by 9.5. Okay, so it's clearbags.com, and you can either buy the ones that have the hole in here or not. And then I just add some cute little trim in here to decorate it up, and like I said, those sell out every year. And these even make cute gifts for people at work or whatever, you know. Okay, then I got these from Susie Q's Crafts, I believe. These are the mini Hershey Nugget candy bars, okay? And you just print these out and you wrap them around your candy, and then I just cut out a piece of paper. My paper is 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3, okay? And then I just tie it, and then this tag comes with it also. You have to cut them out. Oh, come, let us adore him. I sell these for $2.75, and again, I sell out every single year. So I believe this was Susie's Crafts. I'll link whoever these came from on Etsy in my description, okay? Okay, stop. And I made these. The Hello Kitty lip balm I got off of Amazon. And then I had these cute sprinkles, and I have these Hello Kitty. These are called cabochons. And this is a document protector. So I just cut it and sewed it, added some paper, and added a little charm. And so you have to cut it to get to it, you know, but it's just packaged so cute. And I can't remember, let me see, I have another one here, but somehow it turned upside down. Yeah, here's the price. $5.50 is what I sell those for. This one I've got to fumble with it and get it turned around because I don't like it being upside down. But those are a pretty good seller in my craft fair. They're not a big sellout. They're just a good seller. So I have some of those. And I believe that's it for this video. Yeah, that'll do it for this video. So I will link these. And if I can figure out, well, I'll try and find this poem on Etsy for you guys, and I will put a link. I know this one, I don't think that company that bought her out has this anymore, but I will look. If I can't find this one, I will link a different one in my description, okay? And then I'll put the link for these vinyl bags too from Amazon. This will be my affiliate link. If you purchase these bags, I just get a slight commission. So, okay, I hope that gave you some great ideas. Thanks for watching, and come back because I still have more things to show you. Have a great day. Bye for now.